good morning. It has been a while since my last video. Now I'm actually on the way to this train station to meet my friends. Oh yeah, but before that, today I will be having another waterfall abseiling session. I can't wait to do the waterfall abseiling again because this time around I'll be trying at a new waterfall. I've never been to this waterfall before. I've heard about this waterfall, but yeah, but I've never been to the waterfall before. Yeah, so exciting time ahead. I'm heading to the train station now and see you guys. Anyway, say hi.
Hi.
Hi! So this is Vanessa.
Hello.
Say hi. So where are we going?
We are going to Sungai Gabai.
Yeah, Sungai
Yes.
Gabai people for waterfall abseiling. But before that, let's find on the way. We need to find food. We haven't had our breakfast, and let's eat before we do the abseiling, because otherwise you'll feel hungry and you will not have mood to do it at all. So, yep. That's it. Yay! We get our food inside the tortilla trap. Tortilla trap wrap. Okay, guys, let's have a breakfast. Quick breakfast. Cheers. Hey, is it okay? Okay. This is not mine, but she said okay, so that's it. So we are here. I don't know if you guys can see the entrance. No, it's further up there. We're going to walk there. Yeah, we are here finally. Now it's about 10 in the morning. Yeah, it's quite late, but it's okay because there's only 4 of us doing the abseiling today, so we have plenty of time to do the abseiling. So, but now let's prep and go meet my friends up there. So yeah, welcome to Sungai Gabai. Say hi, guys.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, so this is Vanessa. Say hi.
So hari ni kita je.
Kita je.
Kita santai je.
Sesantai je.
4 orang so okey lah, kita
Tak dilarang.
menunggu sangat.
Betul. Hello. So we are at the top right now. Well, obviously there's another top, but this is, I'm not sure what level is this, but I think if you can see behind me there, that's the waterfall, and that's where we're going to start to do the abseiling. Okay, so yeah, let's go.
Yang satu orang. Ni jangan lepas. Pegang je tali ni. First thing apa nak buat, yes, melutut ni.
Sekarang ni Mas tengah pakai harness.
You kena explain.
Mas
Apa yang dia buat?
dah biasa pakai harness. Ini kali ke abseiling yang kali ke-20 untuk Mas.
Okay, now I'm ready with all my gears, my harness. So we are ready to go abseiling. Woo! Okay, hi friend. Are you guys ready? Woo! Get loud. Let's get loud. Good. Are you good? Okay guys, we have done the first round. Well, honestly, I don't know if we want to do the second round. My honest feedback for this waterfall abseiling, oh my god, it's drizzling this time around. I think this will be my hardest abseiling because for some reason I feel not confident. But I think I know why, because I mean by default all waterfall is slippery. That one is you cannot avoid. But I guess this time around I'm giving too much of the rope. Well, not too much, but a little bit too much, to the point that there's a less tension on the rope for me to put myself in the proper position. So yeah, and I think because of that as well, it make me feel less confident, less trusting with the rope itself, and I think that's what made me feel nervous and scared to abseil down. I think that's why it was difficult for me. I got lines where it's really close to the gushing water or in the gushing water, which is fun. Fun when you want to slide down, but when you want to abseil, yeah, that can be difficult. I don't know if you guys can see, it's actually drizzling at the moment, and I'm not sure I want to do a second round because it is already raining, drizzling, and that can make it even more tougher. But anyway, I have fun. Yeah, unfortunately I'm not able to take video while we were abseiling down. There's no footage of it. I guess I see you guys later. How do you feel?
Exhausted.
Exhausted? Well, what do you think about it? What is your honest review, honest feedback? Is this your first waterfall sailing ever? Okay.
So I do not have a comparison.
Okay,
I've
yeah.
never been.
Yeah.
So I think it was very, very challenging.
Alright.
Extremely. Because like some of it you just can't predict at all.
Yeah.
Like some of it is just like some of it is like, and then the terrain is like you can't even foresee because the water is flowing. You can't see the stones and the path.
Yeah.
So you gotta like go, step, fall, and then you know like, oh, that's
Yeah.
okay. Now I know.
Yeah, Kum! Woo! You did it! Honest review?
I feel like it was really good.
Is it?
More difficult than Sofia.
Exactly! That's what I
Way more
feel!
difficult than...
Agree!
I feel like if Sofia Jane was like a 6, this is probably like a 8.
I know!
And it's very slippery. Many times I jatuh, but it's okay lah. Like you jatuh like that and then just
You know,
stand up again.
Yeah. How was the abseiling?
Short and sweet.
Short and sweet.
Short and sweet.
Of course lah, one round only.
I was thinking if I should do another round, but
Boleh
nanti
je.
I banyak jatuh balik.
First round is always the learning phase. Second round is the enjoy.
So yeah guys, it started to rain. Yeah, I think it's time for us to go and go to our parking, and probably we will stop somewhere to have like a snacking time or something, to have more rest basically. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me, for watching this video. I hope to see you guys again in the future. So stay tuned for the next video, and bye! See you! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.
Subscribe, like, and comment.
Yes,
Hit
correct.
the subscribe button over here.
Over here.